Hello everyone, and welcome back to problem solving. In this video, we'll solve a Codeforces problem called Black Square, which is problem 431A on Codeforces. As always, I'll explain the problem, break it down, and show you how to solve it step by step. The solution code will be shared in the comments below, so don't forget to check it out after watching the video. Let's start by understanding the problem. In this problem, we are given 4 integers representing the calories of 4 different strips on a game board. Each strip is numbered from 1 to 4. The game involves stepping on these strips in a certain order, and the sequence is provided as a string. The goal is to calculate the total number of calories burned based on the sequence of steps. Input explanation. The first line contains 4 integers, where each integer represents the calories of strip 1, strip 2, strip 3, and strip 4, respectively. The second line contains a string S, which is the sequence of strips that the player steps on. Each character in the string will be a number between 1 and 4, representing the corresponding strip. The output is a single integer, the total number of calories burned. Let's walk through how the solution works. 1. First, we need to read the input. We take the first line as 4 integers and store them in a lista. This list will hold the calorie values of each strip. 2. Next, we take the string S, which represents the sequence of steps. 3. To calculate the total calories, we go through each character in the string. For every character, we convert it to an integer, subtract 1 to adjust for zero-based indexing in Python, and use it to access the corresponding calorie value from the list. 4. We sum up all these calorie values to get the total calories burned. 5. Finally, we print the total. Code explanation. 1 at equals list, map, int, input, split, reads the first line, splits it into 4 integers, and stores them in a list called a. 2s equals input, reads the sequence of steps as a string. 3. Sum, int, x, 1, for x in S is a generator expression that calculates the total calories. For each character x in the string S, it converts x to an integer, subtracts 1 to match the list indexing, and fetches the corresponding calorie value from a. 4. Print total_calories outputs the total calories. This approach is simple and efficient, and it ensures we get the correct result for any valid input. Let's see an example. The player steps on strips 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, and 4, in that order. Using the values in a, the total calories burned are 1 plus 2, plus 3 plus 2, plus 1 plus 4 equals 13. So, the output is 13. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more problem-solving sessions. Don't forget to check the comments for the complete code. See you in the next video.